Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. I'm very special right now. It's a fantastic morning. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my videos, and in case you're new here, please guys, subscribe, comment, share, like. And also today I have good news ever. So I'm just grinding hard day by day. And also guys, thank you for your love and support. I really appreciate. And actually I'm remaining with only 3 subscribers to hit 8k subscriber. I can't wait guys, and that's my jovial, and also that's my hard working. One day I'll find myself to be on 10k, 100k, and also a million subscriber. So on today's videos, I'm taking you to my mom's construction, which have been working for so long. And today my mason will finish by fixing up the timbers and also putting the steel bar, which maybe you have been doing some formwork for the rental of the steel bar. So today they want to put on inside of the, like both side of the timbers, and then maybe when I will get around 15 bags of cement, I will construct, or I will make something looks like let me say a ballast, and then we create a rental like this one here guys. Like this one. This is a pure rental. I mean this. When I say rental, maybe I mean in another way beam. I don't know between maybe different between beam and rental. Maybe which are going like this one, a rental, or like going that way are pillars, maybe beam. So today they're gonna finish up, and then maybe by tomorrow morning we measure the ratio of maybe ballast, what next, ballast and also sand. When I get 15 bags, anytime I'll start. But for now, let's do what I have on the ground. Wow. So I'm taking there, and it's around let me check the time, man. Just a minute. I think it's close to 8. Wow, it's 8:32 a.m. and today it's on Wednesday, date 19 on November. We are ending this year, and remember on December date 25th, this year on December, it's my birthday guys, and I hope all of you will enjoy my birthday on a Christmas day. So I'm so blessed, man, to be born on a Christmas day, and it's by God's grace, So each and every day, when I just wake up to see my village, to see some beautification of my village also, I say, God, thank you. And God have some reason why I was born and raised in a humble family, where I'm building my mama dream house, So let me say hello to my mama as you keep going. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Morning to you.
That's my African mom. Now she was, no Bruno, fetching, like, look, like taking some firewood from here. When the mason have been arrived, the only thing remaining there, my mama, she was one who cook food, prepare the porridge, early breakfast, because that's the reason why you see my house moving quick and fast. Simply because we minimize the walking distance from here up to Nyabohanse, looking maybe for the food, breakfast, lunchtime, things like that. Me, I had say yes. It's maybe expensive to me but I need my mama house to be keep pushing day by day, you know. And mason should be it and handman generally, you know. And also I pay them exactly money. And to be honest, on this part of the videos, yesterday my workers have been working on a credit way, and also today, you know. So it tells you my pocket remaining 0 0. Because even me, guys, I'm trying my best, you know, pushing from the foundation, like demolishing the house, measuring the diagonal of the house. All of that we pay money. And also, you know, starting digging foundation, arranging stones, buying some extra tippers of the hardcore stones. All of that's money. And it reached at this point where I'm remaining, you know, block, you know. So I told them, you just work on credit. Anytime when I get money, when God open the door, I'll pay you. And also, it's because I'm humble-hearted, and those workers, they do listen to me, you know. When I have money, I pay them. But it's reached a point, man, I feel like even there's no need to stop construction. Imagine, I go on a credit way to buy some steel bar, which cost around 420 USD, you know. Also yesterday, I bought some timbers for the formwork of the rental, you know. So all of that, but God have some reason, you know. I'll pay slowly, pole, you know. Let me greet my birds here. Hey, good morning. That's my beautiful birds, you know. This is what we call nature in our village. But guys, blessing every time, blessing, and one love. Yeah, man, big up. This is my boy Hello Baby official from Kenya, and I'm representing Jamaica. Big up. Also people from UK, London, Texas, Caribbean, and also from US. Welcome. Show me some love. Only 3 subscribers. Maybe today I will hit 8K subscriber. By God's grace, only 3 subscribers. Today, maybe tomorrow, for the next vlog, I will celebrate with you guys. But today, by God's grace, I will hit 8K. Man, I can't wait, because imagine from 0 subscriber up to 8K. It's not easy. Sorry. It's because we grind day by day, putting videos, you know, and also, like, I'm the guy who pushing myself, you know, putting videos day by day. You know, the more you put videos, the more you gain new subscriber. And sometimes I have silent subscriber who watch my videos, but I didn't subscribe. And also I have some subscriber who subscribe, didn't watch my videos. And I said, all is well. Please, come on, subscribe, you know. And also share my link to your family, share my link to your friends, relative, and also tell them, let's support Hello Baby from Kenya, you know. I'm the only baby in Nyabuhansi village, like no one. If maybe you find Hello Baby official from Nyabuhansi, maybe you are twins, things like that. Anyway, I'm taking you this way. And before going that way, in future, you know, this is our boundary here. So in future, I'm thinking to put the perimeter wall here, running, strong African wall, going at this back of this structure, going that way. And I need, you know, my mom to be secure. Like anytime when I left home, maneuver around the world, at least my mama, she could be in a good security and you know, good condition. Bruno, good morning. This is my dog here. You know, it's disturbing some mason, so that's the reason why we tied them outside. Let me check your eyes. Oh, okay. A village of chicken. See, you see them? Some chicks. Oh my god. No. Come here, enjoy the food. You know, every home in our village here, you might find chicken, cow, donkey, avocados, you know, kales, papaya, you know, things like that. Dogs. That's my mama. Also, that's my cousin right there washing utensil. So today I will never use a shortcut like that way. Let me go this way, guys. That's my grandma home, or my dad's parents' home here, and also that's my dad home. Come you say hello, sister. I see my sister. She was wake up right now. And then when I hit 8K subscriber, I would grind to 9K, and then from 9K 10K, from 10K 15K 20K. Wah! Hey Benny, vipi hali bwana? Sema hello.
Hello.
Yeah, this Ben, my cousin, son to my uncle. Say hello, sister.
Hello.
Umeamka? Aya, nenda. Hey. Okay, let's go. That's the beauty of my village. Look, super green everywhere. Like nothing are not green. Even here, where I'm walking, look, I'm stepping on green grass. Hey. So first thing, I'm gonna supervise the work, and then I see how things go. And also, I think this sand here, I will use maybe later to make some bricks. Nothing to be wasted here. This one that you see. We have some ballast here. And yeah, it's really pushing the work. It's be going. When I'm standing here, guys, I think you can see the sights from a distance right there. From here and then going down. Yeah. People are really pushing the sun. Look, we almost like we have already cleared the one track. Boom, chuguru. Because we have 1, 2. Even the blocks are not enough. I suppose, you know, when I complete the ring toll, I suppose to look alternative way how I could get some blocks. Like one, I think 1 Rory. So because on top could be 3 courses, and there's maybe no partition on upper side. On top, no partition. So if you count the whole outside of the house, 3 courses, like 1, 2, 3. You imagine from here, look, 3 courses up to here, and then it's go around the house and also inside, you know. So today, yesterday they have been finished up here, you see, right here, and today they'll fix this silver. I mean, these bars, they have been running in a formwork, as you can see down here. Only is to measure from maybe this corner to that corner, and then they cut it, you know. Let's see them. Man power, man. What's happening? What's up? You good?
Guys.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. It's all morning.
Yeah.
Bonge.
Yes, sir. Morning.
Morning to you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
How do you do?
I'm doing good, and I thank God for this day.
Yes.
Yaani mbao zangu nye chana.
Kata kabisa.
Kata wewe.
Hata sio zako tu. Na za kwangu wakate.
So these are dining, and we are doing a formwork. You see how it's go straight and then Grati. Sì. Sì no.
Graviere ta gote.
Bonge suweke basi inchi 3 hiyo. Mbona unapiga inchi 4 mno? Mbona unapiga inchi 4?
Mwambie muito. Mimi unajua
Simbao zitamaliza bonge.
Mimi sitakuwa nasema kila kitu.
Si hapa panabaki tata nilisikia. Hapo.
Nataka kushughulikia hapa.
Hebu kidogo.
See guys, yesterday I bought this. You should have been sasa sema chuma simeishi.
Magaricha la kora amaiso egas. Amaiso. Wagaso kwenye kitu kile kihoniga. Ndio wasa kubikenga kumbi huko. Kwa temi chimba. So kitu so kimba kato kai kibisa teme kiguru kuju. Kutoka tunia tuana ikira kitu kimetiari. Kesho kuja ni kumwaga tu.
Kesho kuja ni kumwaga tu. Unajua kama
rangi kucha.
Unajua kama simiti.
Tabu eno. Chimba ocho hasa ninatote michimba. Ni hasa como itawasira kukengi bemo birada kumbichi hu. Maana kioma mpaka kikuu.
Mpigie simu. Maana namba yake sasa.
Mpigie na.
Mwita. Lakini sasa hata yeye hata andikiwa dei. Ni chuma kidogo tu anakata, atapata tu hela kidogo. Mpigie tata. Kama
Umanye. Watu tole ke hai. Yapi? Iboto moto tora hayo.
na hapo utakujufanyaje bonge? Hapa ni cloud.
Ase hayo na hatambe. Mpaka ntola tumirichi ti. Tungechukua ti, tusimamisha moja hapo. Nyingine hapo. Tuweke hiyo bottom, tupige msumari kutoka juu. Sijui kama tunaelewana.
Hata mbao ni fupi.
Mtu kielewana hivi bado nataka nikae hapo hivi.
Isinue kamba. Unaona nikae hivyo?
Hata hapa lazima uweke T.
Unaona ukishafanya hivyo, tuchukue T, tuweke hapo tupige msumari kutoka juu. Tuweke nyingine hapo, tupige msumari kutoka juu.
Mwita tafuta nini? Tauriki chimambo chindi tochira.
Hai, na mshahara.
Usimbarato rono. Rono roho yezi kwa T.
Rabe roho kwani kukucha kuika.
Roho tu tukata tu hela hata kwa express.
Ika?
Siweke mbao ipite huko. Sipite one way.
Simama chira ni chinyanya. Akerno rono.
Mcheno trator.
Eka bonge ona kama itapita.
Sijui kama tumeelewana tena tunaongea.
Mimi na kuelewa. Ngasa kulichi stili. Kitichira.
Kama hata turiti hano moni enda hano tuteme kumusumari yote boto mwana. Handa hakonye boto mwana hata terato sombra. Nke hana toruku ya torata nyingi sumari yeo ya togo atara koyo.
Abenyo mana ko tezi ka. Asa mtu ndio tukuli bintu vingi.
Tutemera handa.
Tuunganishe hansi. Timukitika iko na mambo kwa kile watu timke wikalia.
Lakini mimi sinaona ya bongi iko rahisi tu. Upige tu ishikilie hivi. Badilia wikio wihe, wikio.
Teme chiti.
Sawa takoni sti.
Bonge
Miti.
Even I have my own axle. Man. Oma kuna mbao hapo mwita. Bange huru, tabaru. Ndoi. Ana kuna mbao. Si miti miwili imetosha. Hii na hii. Sasa hapo bonge pembe mtakujua weke nini?
Sebenwa.
Hapo ni nini plow?
Hapo tunapiga kamba.
Ambao wanafunga hapo. Nimbo itakane kwanza tuichome.
Bongo usifanye vilipuzi. Si miti zimetosha.
Na hayo.
Ndipo kambira ngani.
Sasa naka bimona ante biga sasa hari yini kiteka. Sasa niteke tare ngini. 936 na hano.
Pesa 47.
935.
Kuna sehemu imeinuka. Sukate, kuna hiyo mbao umetatamoha.
936. 35.
Tera ndipoli.
Ndo hii ingine, hakuna round pole. Ama hiyo haitakuwa tata. Manifaa tuna hii kama hii.
Ndio najaribu kuangaza sioni.
Round pole.
Oile la hige.
Itarata hili kwa kogote.
Lakini mambo kokotera na ko baneli. Katukumikiro ba mo tantane mo kenge.
Ati ambu de keha.
Ragan. Hata hili ya nini? Unajua bonga na mambo yake. Hata na manipo kama hakuna round.
Tuna mbekino na toro kula ngani ngandukero na tore. Once.
Mimi smart nita.
Aya.
Kwa hata nyoro habimira.
Pia.
Komana kipimo na
Ake bravo kenga. Kumiru mzimena.
Ndio maana ukana.
Haitoki straight hiyo. Ake Mungu bonge nakwambia.
Kwa tumushuona kuibera kwa.
kwa tuwe kwa ongea.
Mimi kana kenda ko kamera ko kole. Wewe ni mkenge. Hatu hake oi bado kwa kamera maana tukenda ko ongea.
Nakata mno. Haki ya Mungu, sina kwambia.
Unaniambia sasa unaniambia nishakata. Si mungeniambia kabla sijakata.
Kana uko na macho. Unaweka magideri mingi hapa. Bonge bwana wachumo na korogea. Mtofanya itakuwa umetoka nyuta kuna yapiga na rudi ndani. Oi. Ah, watingise.
Haya.
Ya. Vamos de matabao.
Iko sawa tu sasa, inu pesa.
Da ko ko tere.
Ya uko na andre ki. Uko. Na ko hai uko.
Oh my god. Eh?
Ora ma hayi. Tutakamene ko hat. Ngasi yo nizui hai. Usinikire ngasi toro heti.
Leo ya robans. Sawa. Ni bono kunywa. Sileta la culeta.
Uche. Hapo.
Rumepinda.
Chukua mbao malipo mshikia pale. Motokikera pale.
Chukua hizi. Siko hiyo.
Pande juu.
Hapo sawa. Ndio sawa.
Allah. Nakubo cyane.
Wana wako toreso.
This mandazi. For the lesson. Aya ma. Where's porridge? Aya shika na hivi. Mimi ndo tabeba uji. Mama anakuja na uji. That's my sister. We are inside of the smoke house for my mom. Uko hapa nilikuwa nimekaa. Weka kwa mbao hapo. That's porridge, man. I've been preparing with my mama. And this is the condition, man. Don't mind bed here, clothes there, you know. A good thing have light here. Well gone, man. But maybe anytime, you know, mama will be in a good place. This porridge, man. Look, full of furniture inside here. That's my sister's bicycle right here. Anyway, let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Manpower. There is porridge here. Yeah. Come and take porridge. Bonge, are you hungry?
Very.
Okay, it's time for breakfast. Kateni huu kama kuna kipisi mnaweza kata. Hii sasa hata ni yangu sasa. Ukiweza katu wewe uinganisha hapa.
Hata zaidi ya hayo. Usiambe hanoga. Hayo. Mpaka tuchikenge.
Kateni mbao. Guys, they're thinking how to cut timbers.
Kuna hii bado. Mbao mbili. Kuna hapa.
So tukikata mbao moja sitakata tatu. Yaani mukate hapo ipige hapo na hapo. Box. Chukua mbao ukate bonge. Acha kuogopa.
Hiyo bonge ndio kero ndraga.
Tuma.
Haiwezi shika.
Tayo.
Hata hakutikara kama futi mbili.
Na ile ni nini?
Mbamba.
Topo.
Boto.
Tata. Mapa no mbele ndikendo kwa kukenga. Kukenga tu muri place.
Kuchimba shina kando.
Hata hiyo ndio muri place.
Vai chimba chimo no. Kubaje shina chika kumunga.
Na hii ifiki. Walipoona mandazi kukuita kura.
Wewe kuku wewe. Mchingapi no? Mchingapi na?
Ndio moja 20.
Tola no tena tola ndo mkuro.
Si hata itafika. Hii futi 10 itafika. Pamoja na 10. Usharupima.
Tikone kana rudi. Ala haketora aro.
Ay.
Kimoja no tuchunge chibe iberibe.
Ilikona tunango tera store gauge.
Yake gauge.
Ziungwe mbili.
Kwa mbili. Bado ni fupi. Utakuta kuna sehemu zinahitaji kukatwa ziunga.
Kata.
Tutakata hizi zangu rai hizi sasa.
So guys, I think right here we have missing some 4 pieces of timber. And I want to ask Bonge. Bonge, what are you missing?
The mouse.
Timba, ona hata ifiki. Mmekata ndogo. Utameza ukuta. Msumari nchi? Nchimbili. And some 4 pieces of timber. Oh my God. I'm telling you, on the rental, this house have been built on a credit way. But God will open the door. So now, I'm rushing to Nyabohanse again, like yesterday. So the owner of the timber yard give me some timbers on a credit way, and then me, I'm telling you, from steel bar on down here, timber work, it's purely on a credit way, and also even some mason and work handman, they have been building a credit way. I don't know when I will get money and then give them. No. So if you add 420 plus around $200, I can pay them all money. Let me say around maybe $700. It's enough for me to pay steel bar, the bill of steel bar, timbers, labor, and everything. So now we shall meet in Nyabohanse, guys. So stay tuned. Guys, now I'm in Nyabohanse on this timber yard. Tunauza mbao na kuni, timber, and also firewood here. Utafuta vitu straight. So kena uli arono hata wewe bana. Sasa ndombo ya rota lichoke. Kanaka ni kanusu? Tutoa nusu? Si ndio nimekuuliza. Hapo alisema eti wana ifiki. Amuri. Wallahi. Si mafundi alikuwa anapima na futi. Wandulize ufundi. Unakuja na hiyo fundi ya nini? Stop the futi. Wewe hizo tandu chimba unenta na tabu. Mama ni maneno ya mafundi tu. Si maneno yako kumbe. Ni fundi. Hii ni 61. Amuri umesema 81. 81. Sasa. Utaruhusi ambi chimba wewe. Chimba ile ngano gani? Mbao nne. Hapo juzi naenda kukatwa. Yeah. So because I need to buy this on a credit way. So like some maybe shorter place, they need to be cut it, Hata tumuka nyingiri chimbo haturu mure itiwa ni muke mwana wetu. Yeah. Isina nunua nitazitunza sasa. Sija kujenga nyumba yangu sasa sisumbuki. Ngana kenya na makong. Guys, buying timbers like this are more expensive. Nenda ile no sona hatanko nyamoto. Ona kana sabu guy. Yano wabanyama sabu. I need 4 timbers. Una namba ya Njeko? Sasa mimi sina hela. Chacha! I see Chacha there. I don't know whether he will be come. I don't know. Paona hata uwe. Tuna ni risatu. Sunaona ni risatu. Na ramonga yo ronda ganda masatu. Ni venye mko tanga. Boss, ndio kazi nitafute mtu. Si ndio nataka nikuletee mbao nini namba ya Njeko nani anipe. Si hata pikipiki yangu itabeba tu. We, niongeze na kuja wewe piga video. Niongeze nikiona. So kirumana. Hii ni futi 10 hata isiku. Hata basi hesabu kama 10. Wote mkinyongere ronge ni nayo. Ndio hata mimi najaribu jamani. Nimeomba. Na futi ni 33 Nyamuya alisema.
Mliongea naye?
33. She's a boss.
Hata mchina nguma hante metenda amure banda hema.
Ndio niweke hapa. Wala unachukua nini loan ama?
Mimi sijui. Hata mimi wameniita na sijui nini kile.
Nipe hiyo nyongezo jamani. Guys, imagine. Me. Tangaro ba mo ba ko kora haso nyo ho hale. Kana utaya sara mono itu tangaro no we. Hor. Ata zikombili. Ata rono. Kana sara ndo nyo ankure. Ta 61 sina sema kupiga.
Ana na hii ni 81.
Wallahi si 81. Mungu moja. Pim.
Si yenye nimetoa hapa nikaekelea hapa juu.
81 kwa wapi?
Yun 7. Kwa sawa, si niongeza.
Kana hata hano para ateme. Sema ni 81. Maki nongeo kira ofisi hata kuirumu.
Acha basi. Unajua hizo ambao unakuta zimeingia najua hesabu.
Kuna taya sara wetu.
Tigambe Mungu kumenya kuingia.
Hata nkumuvule hado ni nini wewe? Tunafanya biashara.
Tunafanya na biashara.
I've arrived with the nails here, and also I think the timber has already arrived. So money power. Etule dada anasema nipa mbao 7. Chira checho. Za jana zilikuwa 7. Hesabu mpya za jana na kama ni 7.
Jana.
Si ni 6. Sasa
Jana alikata 2. Leo umetumia 4.
Misuma ni chimbili ngana sasa.
Ilikuwa 6 jana.
Si ni mbao 6. Hata anaweza hesabu kwa video aje aone. So guys, I'm supposed to count this 1, 2. 2, 3, 4. I think 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Five, 6. About 6. So also today I bought on a credit way. I mean 4 pieces. That's 2. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. Yesterday we used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6. Alright guys, so right now I'm going to check the work, how it's going on, and I was relaxing there, man, so let me see, so in the morning I'm trying to fix the mats down here, down here. I'm trying to fix them down here because during at night it's very cold on the tiles here, down here. So I decided to fix the mat again because I was washing them, and sometimes when it's getting like dry, it's very hectic, and at the same time no sunny, no things like that. So let's go and see the work for today, Day by day, guys, is to fix. I have to come home. Oh my god. Msa. Okay, nedego no kan. Taro kunyikirunguri mba. Kuna uji huu.
Watika ni simu, sumari ni silent me moka usimu tako gota he.
Misumari. Inchi? Si mama wapate misumari iko. Kuna misumari humo ndani. Mwita hogo. Mwita. So let me check, guys. There's no nails. And I think we have nails here. Mom, kuna misumari humu. Guys, now I'm back home. And I think they've been fixing the timbers and also steel bar. So
these are the nails that left.
Eh? Kule mwisho. Oh. Look. Hey. That's a steel bar, guys. Also here it needs some timber. Hapa kuweka timber tata mma. Hapo bado. Mbona? Utakuja na hii. Oh, siku nyinyi mnafanya madiko diko. Okay. Bichi sasa ile cement ingekuwa iko hapa situngekoroga. Mekata. So guys, the only thing that I'm lacking here is only cement for putting the concrete, and sometimes it's good. People are passing there. Yeah, you see how it's taking corner? Yes. Ulolo hadi uko mmeka? Hata ambe hara?
Tumeweka hiyo.
Hii?
Na hii.
Hii haikwenda hadi mwisho.
Haifiki mwisho. Haiwezi kufika mwisho.
Utakuja muunganishe?
Mpaka tuunganishe kutoka.
Aki nyumba ni kubwa. Yesu Kristo. Hicho nindanganya ni ndogo. I'm telling you guys, look how this house looks like. Imagine from here all the way, look, up to that way. Man, this is crazy. So I think maybe if I could get, let me ask my engineer. And I saw in the comment section one of my subscribers said, hello baby, if you didn't have money, don't go for credit way. So what should I do? What should I do? It reached a point, I'm blocked. You know, even this house is so big, man. Buying timbers on a credit. Like, I bought timbers the month that I have. So it reached a point where I bought some timbers on a credit way. The new one that you see from that corner. This room. Look. Huh? Hey. So, Ulolo, let me ask the engineer if maybe 15 bags of cement, it could finish up. I don't know. And in my store, I have only 3 bags, which yesterday I brought here. Sasa hizi zimekuja zitatosha Rich?
Yaani hapa hapana. Hapana. Lakini chuma zote zitaisha ila zitatosha nyumba. Ila zitaisha na hizo.
Kwa juu.
Hizi? Kwa juu hazimalizi.
Sasa unaona.
Si bado zipo tano.
Na pillars.
Pillars hapo. Nataka chuma moja, chuma 3.
Hizo what? Apart from you nataka 3.
Sio kwamba nataka 3 nyingine.
Ninunue zingine tena?
Hizo si ni 5.
5.5.
Ngoja nipe tape hiyo. Maana nipe tape.
Alafu ndio nataka nilipe 15 kama inaweza. Lakini sasa naweza kubali koroga kwa deni. Hawezi.
Nipe tape hiyo hapo.
Tape mwana hiyo.
Lete tape mwana pao. Tape sina.
And I think I'm remaining with how many still. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hizi ni chuma 5 ziko hapa na nusu.
Chuma mita 2. Chuma 2.
Mbili si au ni refu?
Itakuwa refu hapo. Anataka overlap ya 50.
Overlap ya 50.
Ya 50. Alafu hapo 150. Ndio maana nilikuwa nataka pipe level nichukue.
Si utakuja nayo.
Takuja nayo. Ngoja niwende kijana yule nimfuate kwao.
Naambia awache hapo kangi.
Huyu anaumwa.
Hebu shikilia nione. Unajua watu wengine sasa hawawezi.
Uko juu sana, punguza kidogo.
Pandisha juu kidogo.
Ana mwingi.
Pandisha juu.
So that's the height of the...
Hiyo bao unakuja karibu na size ya hivi. Na huyu anakuambia pandisha tape. Sasa unapandisha. Bonga to kama ngoro bao yaro imkia kidogo.
Siweke hapo vute kwenda chini.
Akuvuta kwenda chini sasa hapa lingani.
Hapa lingani na wapi?
Weka hapa. Visi hapa ndio umesema na overlap.
Wewe acha nikuonyeshe bwana. Hapo pamesoma 280.
Acha 280 unajua umefika juu mwisho.
280.
Minus what?
Tuanzie hapo. 280
minus 110.
Minus 80. Kwa hivyo 200 yetu tunaianzia hapo.
Aya, weka 200 sasa uone penye inafika.
Sasa tape uweze ukaifanya hivyo. Tumesema tunaianzia hapa. Peleka tape yako juu.
280. 200.
100.
Ndio nilikuwa nataka 200. Hebu njoo mshikia hapa
Wo. Ona.
Sasa simepita huo. Simepita. Sasa huyu alikuwa anasema nini?
Hebu kaa hapo.
Usikuna tupishana na mimi.
Lolo amechoka.
Tuambie simepita huo.
Okay.
Simu ya upita. Na bado ukiangalia hapo na kudai upandishe, si ndio?
Acha nitaleta pipe level.
Shamaliza job. Yeah.
Panga ni warna.
Ndo hii. Tatu kuja na panga.
Ibantu ni njira ni yano kaicho na kugacha.
Kwani rayare mun.
Karangi.
Achana na hii. Kuna
Ilikuwa mpya.
Unatoka tu. Kugaja kwa ya. Au kugaja kwa rangi bango.
Bahire nyumba. Kwani
Ni yani. Nana nange ko mai kan kugacha.
Sasa si uiache hapa.
Nana si bao tumemaliza.
kata vijiti. Labda ndio analalia hiyo. Wajute nayo. Yeah.
Onge.
Manipa close. Where is the key? Maru kurusuru songuru chana. Janu litoa wapi? Msubiria sana. Guys, we need to close the site, and at the same time I'm gonna end my videos, you know, so maybe on today's vlog could be more short. These are soap here. So I'm looking the key for the site. You know, we are doing things in local way. Just hanging key. Yeah. Boy. So chukua ende now. Unaonaje nyumba? Ile ipange hera ni hera. Imagine here guys, hens are laying eggs in this corner right there. Hey. Telling you guys, this house, it's more than, you know, if maybe like only 4 feet, like 120 meters to be around, you know, 3-bedroom bigger one. Look. Hey, mama, una la kusema? Mama, she have nothing to say about this. You know. Yep. Now guys, I watch my grandma home, also my mom's dream house, my house over there, the store, you know. So me, like, I'm on top, you know. Actually I climbed this ladder here, so I'm doing like what we call observing, you know. Sorry, excuse me. You know, I'm trying to think about, and it's not easy. These are pure hard working. And now when I close my eyes like this, when I open, I say, God, thank you, because when I found myself, like, I paid the owner of the steel bar, the owner of the timbers, I paid the mason. That day I'll sleep with my shoes, you know. Even we haven't bought some cement. I think around 20 bags, from around 15 to 20 bags of cement, which can finish this house for putting the ballast here. So this is what we call the rental. I don't know, maybe it's a beam, I don't know, but for me I know it's the rental, you know. So when you put foundation and rental, that's the house. 100%, that's the house, you know. Look, me, I'm trying to repeat to myself, look how it's look bigger from that corner, going all the way, look up to that way. But I will try to make it like never before. So maybe tomorrow, you know, like today, my two masons have some tough day, you know, fixing some remaining places, each and every, you know, like there, here, even that corner, the way you see, like it's going that way and then it's branched to other side, and then they fix this. So by tomorrow morning is to put for entire house steel bar, and also there's some small posts they'll put here for when they put like a stick, you know, bigger one, to, you know, to hold it this side and this side, so like to avoid this timber to fall this side, you know. Maybe when it's fall this side, this one will be pull up, this one when into they want to fall on the other side, this one pull up, things like that. But hope for the very best. We are doing a nice work, you know. Now that concrete will be full here. You try to imagine here, and then we put 3 courses. You count from here, 1, 2, 3, and then we put, maybe it could be here, you know. So I need to build a house, the bigger one. Maybe when I'm like the standard one, when maybe I'm going to put the maybe chandelier, like some lights, ceiling board, tiles, maybe not now. That's what maybe I'm heading to, you know. This house is the way like unborn baby, a newborn baby, you know, a newborn baby, you know. So you know how maybe a small baby, when he or she gets born in this world, you know how, you know, some steps, you know. So like I change, maybe today my title could be a newborn baby, you know. So if maybe a baby were being born, so there's some steps, you know, crying, they don't know how to eat. It reach a point where the baby know how to eat. And this house, we start as from foundation, bricks, it reach at the rental, we fix step by step, and then it needs roofing, from roofing, fixing the window, from the windows, we are going to the plumbing, wiring, from wiring, we are going for maybe, yes, from wiring. I think if you are maybe dining with roofing and also window and doors, we are going for the frame for each and every room, and then from that we done plumbing, and then from plumbing we are going for the wiring, electricity, I mean. So from that we came plastering, and then I think from plaster, after we done, let me count, guys. From roofing we put the iron sheet, and then we fix the door, out, back door and front door, we fix the window, we fix the frame, each and every room. And also from that we're gonna do plumbing first, and then wiring for electricity, and then also from that we do what you call slabbing down. And then from slab, you see, even this room they haven't put slab. If you put slab down, and then from that we are going for the plaster of the house. From plaster of the house, after we done plastering inside, we are going outside, and then maybe from outside we look straight forward to put ceiling board. After, okay, that's my mama calling me, so I want to put my dog inside the house. So after we done plastering, we go to the maybe ceiling board. It's need a lot of things. And me, when I see one day when it's roofing is done, I would like, let me say, to keep me, like, I was working maybe on this house maybe for 3 years, and then we complete everything. We are not rushing, guys. As you know, Team Hello Baby, me, I'm working slowly. No pressure, no nothing. Step by step. So I had some, my neighbor's dog are calling outside. Let me take my dog, Oh my God. But I don't know. I came from far, and I think one day I shall finish this house, like, I'm not rushing, guys. You see some other silver there. We have iron sheets. So I'm heading outside, going to check my dog, bring inside, and then we're gonna see what's next, That's my baby right there. It's waiting me to take me around. Daddy, keep it toy. Bruno, I gotta take you inside, alright? Cool, man. Cool. No. From that. So guys, I think me... Mom! I see my mama. She was doing some cleanness. No joke, serious, man. Anyway, guys, let me end my videos, and then we shall continue from there. Nira kubwa ndio imefungua. And then I'm ending my video, and then from that I'll take my dog inside. At the same time it's raining, So no. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel. So I'm ending with good news. Maybe by tomorrow I'll be 8K. I was checking my channel. I was remaining with 2 subscribers to hit 8K subscriber. For me, I want to say thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And what I know, I personally as a Hello Baby, I know where I came from. And imagine I start from 0 subscriber. I keep grinding so hard. I have been mentored by David Jr. and he really tried the best to push me, and also Marwa, also the Mango. And you never failed them when they said subscribe. Guys, you really subscribe. If you heard from them, you really subscribe. And also me, guys, the way by the way, they're part of my family, you know, family members, really family members. So sometimes it's good when somebody show you how to fish. It reach a point you're gonna, you know, do like you're gonna do your own parts, you know. And also me, I'm trying, you know, to inspire other maybe upcoming YouTuber or maybe upcoming generation, you know. So that's how things go. Today maybe I help another one, maybe tomorrow there's somebody who I help, they help each other as we keep, you know, push this world, you know. So yeah, that's how things go, you know. And also, guys, even me, like, apart from my family, like my mama, I made my mom to be proud. Also, you guys, I made you to be proud because through your support, by watching my videos, like if you maybe I have another maybe my solid subscriber who's supporting me, like maybe buy this, buy that. I normally buy, and I do videos. Things which I don't like on my life is to disappoint people, you know. So I do step by step, you know, buying. When I get money, I know like I'm going to build my mama house. I buy sand, I buy stones, I buy ballast, like machine cut, you know. So it reach at a point where I'm going to build my mama house is to offer only labor man, and sometimes paying day by day, my pocket goes down, and I can't complain because we push the whole of Africa, you know. Fresh. Weird. Rich kid in the village. No. You want to use Wi-Fi? You go.
You don't have fun here.
You don't have fun? You go. So guys, kesho. So ngoja wakimaliza
hawajapiga bado.
Wamemaliza kupiga. Sasa kesho kiweka ambao wamaliza seti mpaka vijiti.
You know, tomorrow I prepared to come.
You prepared to come?
Yeah.
Me, I was thinking maybe kama unaweza kuja mpime bure. Umesha kila kitu kikae hapo. Ndio kifika siku kukoroga mnakoroga. Unaweza kuja upime?
Unaweza kuja nipime kutoka shambani.
Mkuje wangapi mpime? Sasa mtakuja kesho tuone na engineer maybe sema ya kukoroga ni wapi. I think ni pale. Sawa, kesho mtakuja tuone.
Yeah, will come.
Okay. So was need a job like tomorrow, and I told him tomorrow I didn't have job. The only job that I have is to put the steel bar on top, and then there's some you know, stick like supporters on those timbers, and then from that we organize. Maybe tomorrow is on, I think on Wednesday. I don't sure, guys. I'm not sure about that. Today's on Wednesday. Okay, tomorrow's on Thursday. So maybe by Friday and Saturday I'll see whether I can maybe, you know, look the better option how I'm going to put the slab, I mean the concrete. So also guys, I was on the point, like I don't want to disappoint you, I don't want to disappoint my mom, I don't want to disappoint my young sister and brother. Also guys, I don't want to disappoint Dave Jr. and also Mara and Dimongo, because they are part of my family, holding me with one heart, with one hand, and they keep pushing me day by day, you know, like, hello baby, dream are valid, you know, you just work hard and then the rest left for God. And for me, I'm very loyal, very honest, and since day one I normally work so hard, and I think even them that are watching these videos, they are feeling happy. Imagine somebody came from nowhere, like from a handman building, you know, and I know our struggle, you know, I know our struggle. So like I want to say, from a handman to build 3-bedroom for my African mom, I'm trying to think that I said, oh man, you know. And also guys, you really mean a lot to me, and I know world is so big, and I have, you know, like on my age I have a lot of things to do, but it reach a point when I'm trying to look back and also forward, like back years, I forget it. So right now I'm looking forward, you know. So anyway guys, I love you from my bottom of my heart. We shall meet on tomorrow's videos, and all the best tomorrow. Hopefully, if I'm not wrong, I'll be around 8,000 subscriber. 8,000. And if you're watching these videos, if you haven't subscribed, please guys, subscribe. Share my link. If I found 50 people, share my link to 100 people. Let me, like, trust me, less than maybe 2 months, I'll be around 10,000 subscriber again, and then less than maybe 4 months, I'll be around maybe 12 to 14,000 subscriber. But it's step by step, you know, like climbing the ladder, you know. So anyway guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. So we shall meet on tomorrow's videos, and yeah, that's how things looks like. From here, that way, this way. Let's see you on tomorrow.